Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to host n8n on Render for free. We start by signing up for Render. Once you finish creating your account, you will find yourself on the Render dashboard. Here you click on New and then choose Web Service. This opens the setup screen for your new service. When asked for the service source, choose Existing Image. This allows you to deploy n8n using its official Docker image. In the image URL field, enter the image name for n8n. After entering it, click Connect. Render will load the image details so you can continue with the rest of the setup. Next, you choose a name for your web service and select the region where it will run. Pick any region that is closest to you. Then choose an instance type. In the environment variable section, add a variable named port with a value of 5678. This is the default port used by n8n Render, can detect this automatically, but setting it here makes the first deploy faster. Now scroll down to the advanced section and open it. Look for the disk settings. Click Add Disk. Set the disk mount path to /home/node. Set the disk size to 1 GB. You can increase the size later if you need more storage. Then click Deploy Web Service. After Render finishes deploying, open your new web service page. At the top you will see your onrender.com URL. Click it to open your n8n instance. You will see the n8n welcome screen and you are now ready to start building workflows. Thanks for watching.